EOD Installation Instruction. Step 1. Open the packaging. Confirm the position of the installation hose on the main body. Install chemical bolts at the corresponding positions on the wall. Install the main body onto the wall. Tips: be sure to use a forklift for installation to ensure safety, and then tighten the bolts. Step 2. Check the oil cylinder and unpack the joint packaging. Connect the oil pipe to the motor. Lip plate oil cylinder connected to motor A interface. Main oil cylinder connected to motor C interface. Step 3. Connect the motor power supply to the control box. Check if it opens and closes normally, and adjust the lifting speed. This side is to adjust the speed of the main cylinder, and this side is to adjust the speed of the lip plate cylinder. Then install the motor in its position. Step 4. Installing the collision prevention module. Fix it onto the wall in the same way as the main body. Make it at the same level as the main body. Finally, paste the anti-collision sponge on the outer side. Completed.